Realme GT Neo 6 SE. So this mobile is going to release soon in India. Let's talk about this mobile. By the way, I have also made a video about the Realme GT Neo 6 yesterday. I will leave a link to that video in the description box as well as here in this icon section. You can directly go and watch them from there. So let's start with this Realme GT Neo 6 SE features. It comes with a 6.7 inches of AMOLED display and it is a Full HD Plus resolution 120Hz refresh rate display. According to the rumors, I don't know if this is correct or not, but this mobile will support up to 6000 nits of peak brightness. So that's insane. And moving on to the processor, this mobile will be the first mobile which comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, which is an octa-core processor and it's a 5G processor. We need to know about the 5G bands, right? Yes, this mobile comes with 9 5G bands in India. This mobile will be available in 3 variants mostly, according to the news until now, that those are 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage, as well as 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage variants. Yeah, now these are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. Yes, and this mobile will comes with a huge battery, that is a 5500 milliampere of battery. And that's not it, it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, no wireless or reverse charging features. This mobile also comes with a IP64 water and dust resistant, not waterproof but resistant feature. When we talk about this mobile's other feature like cameras, yes, this mobile comes with a dual camera setup at the back side, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, as well as a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about this mobile's other features like this mobile comes with a polycarbonate back and frame. For the front, it comes with a glass. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like it's a complete polycarbonate build mobile, and this mobile comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the Realme UI 5.0. This mobile comes with all sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass, everything. This mobile doesn't skip any sensors. This mobile comes with stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, as well as like all the mobiles, and it comes with the Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, and this one comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner as well as the face unlock ID also, obviously. And this mobile will be available in 2 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below, mostly green and silver. So this is all about this mobile. When we talk about the box content, yeah, this mobile comes with the mobile itself and TPU case, as well as a charger, cable, and also SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that in the box of this mobile. So we need to know about the price, right? Yes, this mobile comes with a price tag of 21,900, almost 22,000 rupees for the base variant. I think for that price range, this mobile could be mind-blowing, friends. So this mobile will release by the end of this week or by the starting of the next week of May 2024. So wait until the mobile releases and purchase the mobile, as well as like this video and also hit the subscribe button so that I can make more videos like this. It gives me some motivation to do more videos like this. So that's it for the video.